for a way to make passive income or to make money online from the comfort of your home and set up a campaign or something that will work on autopilot and help you generate profit, then Absolute Profits is a software you should be looking up to. So here you can see that I'm on the sales page. This is a sales page of Absolute Profits. So basically, it's a low maintenance passive technique that will be ideal for newbie marketers that have nothing but an internet connection. So there is no need for any prior experience. It is very beginner friendly, and you don't need any social media following, or you don't have to create any product, or you don't have to set up any online store. This campaign will take only 20 minutes for you to set up, and then it will work on autopilot, and that will generate you passive income online. Well, this product comes with a 30-day money back guarantee. If you buy this product and you're not satisfied with it, after fulfilling all the conditions, you can get access to this money back guarantee option as well. So, well, all that I have said, that you can make passive income online with setting up the campaigns of 10 to 20 minutes with the affiliate marketing and Google ads. Google ads. So all this theory is backed up by some real case studies, which you will also get access in the software, as you can see here, case studies. Okay, let me get back to the sales page. Okay, fine. First of all, let's cover everything we need to know about the sales page. You can see here people are really earning some commissions. You can see here $315, $392.93 earnings. Okay, and these are the review by some known people. You can check out here. They have reviewed this software. That this passive money making method is actual and it is working. You can see here. Okay, then if you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, then you should do it and try out the software and this technique to make money online. If this is what you're looking for, if you want to make your career in affiliate marketing and make passive income online, since the times are changing and everybody is coming to this world of online make money online niche, and they are trying to make their businesses everything online. So now is the time for you to get into this field and start making something out of this before it's too late. Sooner or later, you will have to come online and start earning money. So basically, this Absolute Profits comes with 3 simple steps. You just follow and watch the step-by-step training videos. Then you copy the exact system that they have shown in their training section, and you can do this process repeatedly to make money online again and again. So, well, this system gives fast results. It comes with easy training. You will be able to generate your own email list. You don't need to have the email list on hand before you buy the product. You don't need anything before you buy this product. Once you buy the product and you start taking the training, you will understand everything, that how easy it is to follow the training and how to make money online in affiliate marketing. So you will get access to all the tactics, all those small things that the big guys are trying to hide from you. So hey, you don't have to write daily blogs, no videos. If you don't want to show your face, don't show your face. It's okay. Like I am making a review video without a face, and you don't have to do content marketing. You don't have to open your e-stores. Okay, here's something I would like to show you. That is the, oh, you can see here some real affiliate marketers have tested this absolute profits, and these are the reviews you can check out here on their sales page. And people are trying this method and they are earning money using this method. So it is not new, but it is something which will help the beginners who want to make money online with step-by-step process and training to scale up your passive income. Okay, so this is something I wanted to show. People are really making money. $22, $23, $33, $12, $9, $4, as you can see here. This is the payment proof which I look for before I buy the product, or I go check out YouTube for other review videos, and then I buy my product. So that's it. Okay, now let's get to the software here, absolute profits. So I really like the layout of this software. It is actually very user friendly. You can see here everything is readable, and everything is very easy to understand. Okay, so the case studies, this is something I like to see first about the product, that this product is actually working and people are making money. Okay, there are some bonuses which you will be getting. These are the all vendor bonuses. Once you buy the product, and you will be getting access to Gemini, WineQuest, Tells, and the bonus vault in this members area. Okay, now let's have a look at the welcome. You can see here you will be given a introductory and welcome message by the vendor of this product, Wilson Novoa, and then the overview of this product, what you will be doing, what you will be learning, and how you will be implementing all they will be teaching you to make passive income. So tools and software which you will be needing. So here is a list of all the tools and software which will be required to set up your 10 to 20 minutes campaign, which will help you earn money on a daily basis. So basically, you set this campaign and you leave it there. It works on autopilot, and you generate passive income. Then done for you videos and images. If you're not comfortable making videos of your own, showing your face, then you can get the you can choose the products which will allow you the access to use their demo videos, and you can promote those videos in your campaigns to make money online. Okay, and then avoiding restrictions. You will be learning about the landing pages and how you can avoid restrictions and get response method and everything. Then you have placement ads. Of course, you will have to get your account. First of all, you will have to set up your Google Ads account. You will have to sign up in the vouchers as well. All the details will be given in this video. You will just listen to it and you start implementing it. And the placements method, how you can place your Google ads on those demo videos or the videos you have created, and then the experts method, Google Ads advanced method to scale up your incomes, commissions. So get done for you bonuses here, download campaigns, headlines, templates. Okay, all these things you will be getting. Okay, then follow up sequencing. Okay, email sequences. So basically, in this you will be learning how you can send your email to your buyers' traffic once they sign up to buy the product, and you will have to entertain them with certain offers or things for buying, keep on buying from you. So you will be learning everything here. Okay, then the conclusion. Okay, so that's it for this software. Now let's talk about the upgrades. As you can see here, wait a moment. Upgrades will appear here in a moment. My internet is slow. Okay, it is taking lots long, so let's get here and start looking at the upsells and the prices of this product. So the front end will cost you $12.95, and you will be getting access to the front end, the software, and the training modules in this uh, front end section. So basically, this product is launching on 25th of August, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it will be closing on August 29th on 23:59 Eastern Standard, and that's 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. Okay, then you have Absolute Profits Pro 30x done for you version, which is for $47, the upsell, and the downsell is for $27. So basically, it will help you instantly improve your earning potential. So 30 times the effectiveness of this done for you version is 30 times. So you will start making profits quickly. And then you have there is this second OTO, which is done for you campaigns for $47, and the downsell is for $27. You will be getting done for you bonus pages, review with your product demo, and custom bonuses. Everything will be delivered to you. You'll be getting 2 done for you campaigns every week for a month. But you will require to buy this software, which is called Commission Gorilla, which will help you create your bonus pages and custom bonus pages. This software will be necessary. Then unlimited traffic, which is for $57, and $37 is the downsell. So unlimited traffic will in this you will be allowed to place your basically you will be able to get the targeted audience from the websites that this the Wilson Nova owns, and you will get the traffic from his website to quickly get commissions and get started in this niche, so that you know that this method works. It is just to show you that, and you will be getting access to all the targeted audience. Okay, now the profits reseller rights for $77, and the downsell is for $47. So basically, you will be getting access to this software reseller rights, and you can sell the software as your own and don't have to worry about anything else. Then you have a mastermind coaching calls for $497, and for downsell is for $297. You'll be getting a 2-hour call with Wilson, the vendor of this product, to assist you with the deployment of Absolute Profits, how you can do this step by step, and he will tell you each and everything, all the hacks and tricks which all the big guys hide from us, all the big influencers, and how you can start making passive income. Then one-on-one video call training with Wilson or what to become success story. Okay, so that's it for the for this review video. If you're looking for more ways to make passive income online, or any other ways of making money online, then comment below so that I can come up with the products that fulfill your requirements. And thank you so much for watching the review video. Keep me updated, comment down below, and if you're looking to buy this product, I will leave down the link below in the description. You can check it out. there. If you want to know anything more about this product, then comment down below in the comment section. So thank you so much again for watching the review.